Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Elasticsearch with API keys on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Elasticsearch installed on your VPS. Log into your VPS using SSH. Once logged in, navigate to your Elasticsearch configuration file. The default location is often /etc/elasticsearch/elasticsearch.yml. Open the configuration file in your preferred text editor. Add the following line to enable API key authentication: spac.security.enabled, true. Save the changes and exit the text editor. Next, restart the Elasticsearch service to apply the new settings. Use the command sudo system to restart Elasticsearch. After restarting, you need to generate an API key. Open a terminal or use a tool like Postman to send a request. Set the request method to post. Enter the following URL: http://localhost 9200/_security/API_. In the headers, include content type, application/JSON. In the body, you can leave it empty, or add a description if desired. Send the request. If successful, you will receive a JSON response with an ID and a key. Store these credentials securely, as they will be needed for future authentication. To authenticate using the API key, include it in the request headers. Use the header authorization API key base64_encoded_ key. Base64 encode the API key provided in the response, using a format like ID key. Make a test request to Elasticsearch using the API key. For example, use curl with the following command: curl h authorization API key base64_encoded_ key http://localhost 9200/. Check for a valid response, indicating successful authentication. Once confirmed, you are now successfully authenticated to Elasticsearch using API keys on your VPS. Refer to the Elasticsearch documentation for further exploration of API capabilities. You can now proceed to integrate these API keys into your applications. Ensure your API key is kept secure and monitor its usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.